Begin in a seated wide leg straddle. Bend your right knee and bring the sole of your right foot to your inner left thigh. With an inhale, extend your arms up towards the sky. Exhale and lean your torso as far to the left as possible, lifting up out the waist. Bring the back side of your left forearm to the floor inside your left leg. If you don't make it this far over, bring your left arm onto a block or on the inside of your thigh. On an exhale, begin to twist at the waist, slowly rotating your upper body away from your left leg, opening your chest up to the ceiling. Lift your gaze upwards, letting your neck and head follow the twist in the spine. Take a few slow breaths and then untwist, coming back up to seating position, where you will then switch the position of your legs for a twist.